What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Just leaving work now. I'm heading to a Wagyu tasting event, Japanese Wagyu beef tasting event. It's down on Broadway near Union Square. So I'm just gonna head down through Times Square and head south on Broadway. It's almost nighttime, so I'm just gonna do the ride there and I'll give you the rundown on the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, for the whole experience. I'll cut together a video of what I have when we're there, so you can see what it's all about. I've had lots of Wagyu in my day, so none of this is really going to be new to me, but you know, I always love the opportunity to taste some really high quality beef, especially when it's free. Now, Wagyu is not a grade. It's not like USDA Prime. It's not a grade. It's actually a breed. It's a breed of Japanese cattle that's genetically predisposed to high quality, intense marbling. And what makes it so crazy is that the animals are huge. Their muscles are huge. If you hold like an Angus strip, which we you know, usually what we eat here in the US, Angus beef, and then you hold it next to a Wagyu strip, the size is astronomically different. It's almost twice as big. And that's usually what we refer to as yield. The yield of an animal is quite large muscles. As you might already know, the marbling is generally much higher than what you see in strictly Angus cattle. Now we're seeing a lot of hybrids here in the US. Wagyu mixed with Angus. And some places, some breeders are getting them up to full blood levels, so that you might not even really know the difference between a Wagyu animal and a hybrid. Like my friend John over at KOW, Cow Cattle Company, his ranches are producing some of the best domestic Wagyu that I've ever had. It's delicious. And in my opinion, it eats better. Like real like BMS 13 Wagyu, you can only have a few ounces before you get kind of overwhelmed with the buttery fat. You know, it's not like a USDA Prime, which could be a BMS 6 or 7. There's a lot of bite to the meat. I always say that Wagyu is more like eating foie gras than beef. It's a totally different texture. It's mostly fat. So that's why I say just get a couple of ounces if you really want to try it. And I like to eat like for a full-on steak, you know, a chop. I'd rather have USDA Prime or one of those domestic Wagyu hybrids that are coming in at like BMS 8, 9. It's just, to me, that's just the right amount of marbling. Any more, and it's too rich. It's too fatty, too buttery, and it's really like eating a different protein altogether. Fucking guy. Fucking striding across the bike lane. Yo! Nobody's watching. I don't mean that to speak ill of Wagyu. I love Wagyu, but it's different. It's something else. I prefer dry-aged USDA prime over Wagyu any day. But that's just me. Maybe for you it's different. I have some really informative information about Wagyu beef in my book, The Beef Bible. Available in ebook form through Amazon, and also paperback and hard copy, also through Amazon. Grab a copy. It's very informative, it's funny. It's got lots of nice pictures in it. I had a lot of fun writing it. And if a book isn't in your budget, and it's not much, some of the stuff is available on my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com, under the meat info section. Oh, that was stupid. Gotta get right back on here. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Getting close. It's about 8 streets to go. It's right up by Union Square on the right. Some event space. Beautiful day today. Mild weather for the depths of February. Let me know what your experience of Wagyu is like if you've had it. A lot of people confuse Wagyu with Kobe. Kobe is a region of Japan that produces Wagyu, the breed. So Kobe is like Champagne, the region that produces sparkling wine in France. So that's a good distinguishing thing if you didn't know it. And it looks like this is it right over here. So I'm gonna jump out, lock this baby up, and I'll see you on the inside.
Yeah, 5'9". Oh, now everybody just bounce, come on, bounce, come on. Oh, yeah, oh, bounce, bounce, yeah. Down in Miami, sipping margaritas, puffing on a Cuban. Way this shorty, she be moving, got me losing my cool and making the whole club sizzle. Way she move it a little, she bring it low, bring it high, bring it back to the middle. Playing these guys like a fiddle, always gets what's hers. Says she's in love with Kerry Kittles and she's from Dirty Jersey. I wanna find out how a little kitty cat purrs, so I'ma work those curves, give her what she deserves. So mommy, bring that little body to the lobby of my hotel. I could tell that you could probably work it out so well, and know well if you be missing your flight, because you chillin' out with the you and I tonight. So don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know.
I can't call it, I got this feeling, so I'm jumping up on it. Little sexy senorita got me sweating like sauna. Run for the border, dip in the water at 10 in the morning. That's when the waiter tapped me on the shoulder, look in the corner. No need to be modest, there she was, hot as a gelada. Prada got us sipping on a pina colada. I gotta get that name and number, felt the heat like summer. And once I get a hold, no let it go like Wayne Wonder. Here comes the rain and thunder, we start to run for cover. I lose the focus for a minute, now it's brought me under. Bobbing and weaving, dipping and ducking all through the crowds, thinking I'm seeing her something, but it ain't nothing now. Frantically up in the lobby, I search the high and low. She got me twisted, I'm lit lifted about which way to go. Nice baby, she tight lady, do me alright baby. Man, baby girl, got this player going crazy.
So don't go, shorty rock, we can take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico. Laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we can take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico. Laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Now mommy, you got me open, hoping that you stay a minute.
The way you shaking, baby, don't stop.
Get it, and we ain't finished till it's closing time.
Like a job 9 to 5 when you party with the
5 to 9 to 9 million.
That's the struggle.
Leaving, come back up to the city, we can do some heavy breathing.
in the Caribbean, dancing through the seasons. Whispers in your ear, have
You feel like you be dreaming, cause there's no reason to end this rendezvous. As long as I'm with you, no amount of time will do.
the clock's ticking, body rhythms in motion, while the windows open, crushing over.
Overlooking the ocean, smoking a roach and soaking in the emotion, hoping you come with me.
You got a hold on me like Chingy, baby, roll with me.
So don't go, we can take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, so don't go. Shorty rock, we can take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico. Laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we can take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico. Laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know.